Once upon a time, in the jungle, there was a mighty lion named Leo. But guess what? Leo had a big problem. He couldn't stop sneezing. Achoo! The narrator said excitedly. Every time he sneezed, all the animals ran away thinking he was roaring, the narrator explained excitedly. Guys, I'm not roaring. I'm just allergic to flowers, Leo said. The narrator added playfully, but the monkeys teased him. Ha ha! Achoo king, the monkeys teased. The narrator continued, so Leo wore a big cloth around his nose and tiptoed through the jungle like a ninja. But his sneeze blew all the bananas off the trees, the narrator said, amused. The monkeys were so happy, they crowned Leo the Banana King, the narrator announced cheerfully. From that day, Leo was the happiest lion ever, because sneezing got him free bananas, the narrator concluded cheerfully.